Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joseph and this is Kesha. Today we're going to speak on how you can make money on Mtfe through inviting people, through bringing people into the business world. They can trade and you'll be making commission out of it. So without wasting time guys, I'm gonna go to my application or to my account this time. So you should have this application on your phone, and if it's your first time to hear this and you're interested to make more money online, this is the best method for you, of which you will never regret at all. So just go and download the application and use my promo code to register, so that you can get beautiful environments for you to trade and get beautiful mentorship for you to trade, and you get answers to any kind of your questions. And if you need maybe to hear more about Mtfe, you just need to comment on the section down below of this video, or contact me through WhatsApp, of which I'll leave the number in the description down below. So without wasting time, I'm gonna click my application that open and we match inside. So guys, when inviting people guys, you will make beautiful money. I'm telling you this, you'll make some beautiful money, of which will help you gain more and more and more, even increasing your amount or your assets and obtain more money. So by inviting people simply on Mtfe, you don't have links, you just have to provide that person with a promo code, and after he or she joins it through your promo code, you'll be getting some commissions. And I will also explain how much you'll be getting at each level of the one other person trades. Okay, so when you want to do it, this is the first thing that you see when you open your account. You have to come here and you click on the profile icon over here. So I'm going to click on the profile icon, and after clicking the profile icon, you just need to come and click on the invite friends guys. After clicking on the invite friends over here, you land on this page over here. Now this first option over here, this is the recommended information, of which you can just pass through it guys. You can see it as where you will get 12% or whatever the percentage is, according to the amount that you have. That's what you will get, the people whom they are trading below you. So when you invite a person through your promo code, how do you get the promo code for you to give a person joins through your promo code so you can get commissions? Here the promo code, as you can see it, this is my promo code guys. You can use it, it's very beautiful, as you can see. Very beautiful promo code, you see, very easy even to memorize. You can just use it and open an account and start trading guys, you see. So there is where you get your promo code and you can share it to different kind of people. And when maybe you want to see your members who are on Mtfe, who have joined through your code, you have to press this thing here, membership list, just like that. So I'm going to press it, and you will see all kind of your members. You see, all these are my members, and you see their promo code and their phone number, or if they have just only joined through the email, you see it. And when you maybe you have given out some commissions, when your commissions comes, you will see their records over here. So you have to click that and see the records of your commissions. As you can see, my few records here about the commissions I've just withdrawn. You see, this is just my commissions, of which I've just withdrawn from here. And no, not withdrawn, the data of which commissions that I've been receiving each and every day guys. These are just only the data. So after you have received your commission here, you'll be seeing the amount will be there. If you want to shift it or to transfer it to the asset account, so you can also use it in trading or withdraw it, all you have to do is just come here and click the word transfer balance. With us, just only within a single press, just guys, you see here, tell me your amount must be greater than the, just within a single press guys, your money will directly be to my asset account. If you want to get a link or that we share, just have to click here, share to make money. Give you a link of which a person will, when he clicks it, registers first before before downloading the application, and will be inside Mtfe for free. So maybe you have withdrawn some commissions, you want to see the data, how you've withdrawn the commission, how much have you withdrawn. You have to click on the last option over here, that means commission transfer out, just like that. So I'm gonna click it just like that, and after clicking it, you'll see all kind of commissions. For instance, just some few commissions that have been transferring out guys. So after there, you'll be free and you'll be obtaining your money. That's a beautiful way like that. So, and in a moment I'm going to show you how much you'll be obtaining per each person when gets into this kind of platform and starts trades. You will see how you obtain money according to the level of trading of that person. Okay, as you can see on this chart, it just shows you how much money you'll be obtaining. So as you can see from here, I said that when your self investment is between these numbers over here, up Now from there to this side is what you'll be getting. Now let's start. For instance, you see, for when you have invited a person to invest from $26 versus $26, you see, up to $60. From the level 1 you'll be getting 0.20. From level 2 you'll be getting 0.13. From level 3 you'll be getting 0.05, just like that. So as you can see, that's how it goes on, guys. And if your self investment is from 501 up to 1,501, guys, this is what you'll be getting, you see. So 0.25, whatever, different kind of things. If you need the PDF of this, or if you need this sheet, you can just contact me via my WhatsApp number, which I'll leave in the description down below, and I will send it to you right away. Or you will even, I think the easiest method is that, or just contact me through that, and I will also send it to you right away, guys. That's how things goes actually. If you have any question, just let me know in the description down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if it's your first time, guys, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can be able to be notified each and every day. If you don't know how to open Mtfe accounts, I'll also leave the links in the description down below, which will direct you to see, and will actually send you to my Mtfe playlist videos, which you will learn even more and more things about Mtfe, guys. This is the best platform for you to invest. Sign in through my promo code, of which I'll also leave it in the description down below. And after signing with that promo code, please contact me via WhatsApp and just tell me that you've just only joined through my promo code. And when you contact me then telling me that you've joined through my promo code, also send me your promo code, guys, so that I can just verify you and give you a lot of valuable contents, more even than these ones. I'll also provide you valuable contents, but once you come personally, I will ask you some questions, of which will lead me to provide you some valuable contents that are suitable for you guys. Here I'm just providing suitable contents for generally, so I'm not sticking to every person needs. You might find I'm touching just some people and leaving some people's behind. That's why I also tell you to ask even the questions if you have in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to save you guys. So see you on the next one. Till then, peace, guys.